published a course. The last updated rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's around 700, maybe more. I'm from San Francisco, California. I started working with Youthfully 2 years ago. I had been consistently doing meetings, which helped me improve my soft skills and prepare me for things like university interviews or help me in supplementary applications that require me to write short answer questions. We focused on an extracurricular that would help me stand out relating to engineering, and we decided on a DIY ping pong ball launcher course that they helped me create over a couple months. And after that was completed, I published a course based on that to Udemy, teaching others how to do the same. Usefully taught me how to structurally tackle problems and introduced me to the structure of defining, analyzing, and revising each problem. I was really surprised that when I started, I had not been very confident in much of my speaking, but Youthfully made me more confident. As a future career, I'm hoping to be able to do mechatronics engineering or aerospace engineering.